All So we're heading back home, and I am already sweating. I mean, so I stopped by the mall also to get some things, and young man is still awake. So we'll go home to make dinner. Dinner. I just finished filming the last day of my postpartum series, and Chairman is awake. I have to go and carry him. I don't know what he wants. He has refused to nap this morning, but I'm so excited. I am done. So I'm going to go pick him up, probably just play with him, put him on his mat, just engage him because I still have to work, 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 work. Oh, you turned? You turned already. Already. My baby turned already. What do you want? Ah! What does Kabiyesi want? Meanwhile, I remember that I didn't give you guys an update about the microphone. So I reached out to the brand, like my husband suggested, and we had a lot of back and forth. I had to tag them on Instagram, but they eventually changed it. And I really like this one. It's also lesser than what I got previously. So that's it. I also started, I don't know if I mentioned at any point. So for the first 3 months, I was using coconut oil. But now I am back to my Nivea. I'm so excited. Like it's really the little things for me now. I'm so excited. I'm back to my Nivea. I'm back to using my scrub. So I think I'm going to be doing scrub I mean body scrub. I'm using 3 odds, 3 odds, three odds. The strawberry. I actually like it. I think it was pregnancy that made me prefer vanilla to the strawberry. So we're going to work. Probably put this little man on my back so that I can work. I am also just editing the first Mom Weekly. I don't even know if that's what I want to name the series. Mom Weekly, Mom Dates. The first episode will probably go live today or tomorrow by God's grace. But I need to do my work for the day first. Okay, 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 okay. I woke up really tired this morning, as in very tired, because my son decided to be awake for about 3 hours or through the night. And I'm just so grateful to God. My cleaning lady is around this morning, so everywhere is clean. So I want to make her. I want to make pap, 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 pap. And they just took the lights. I'm actually watching Mide's clothes, and they took the lights now. So I use this machine for his clothes, honestly. Those clothes are so tiny, and I feel like washing them with my hand is a form of another punishment. So, but they took the lights just now. I also want to burn incense as the house has been clean. Then we need some incense.